Hello.
Hello, ma'am. Good day. My name is Roxanne Alcuntin. I am 32 years old. I am married. Ages of the children is 6, 9, 12 years old. I am came from Cebu City. I have work experience in Philippines for 2 years. I have served 6 members of the family, including grandma, which is 66 years old, and the children is 0 months old, 8 years old, and 10 years old. My duties is to taking care of children, cooking, car washing, do laundry, and gardening every weekend. I hope, ma'am, sir, to have chance to work with you and finish my contract and obey your instruction. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because of aside of high salary, they have low of DH, and also I want to work Hong Kong because of my family, to support them in their daily needs.
Okay. So if you come to Hong Kong, who will take care of your children?
To take my husband and my mother.
Okay. How long do you expect to work in Hong Kong?
2 years or more than at least my employer wants me and they want me to stay there.
Do you love kids and play with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. Are you willing to sing it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, show us.
Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark. Grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank